This is the backstory of a chicken. I love pianos. They're cool. They're cool. Pianos are Fred. Yeah. I definitely played that, and that was definitely played by me. Yeah, I definitely played that. Okay. Who is this person? Get out of my face! Are you Fred? There's a fly in the room. We're gonna all die. We're all gonna die, bro.
Chicken nuggets! You let me
Oh my god. Okay. I don't feel good. I think I'm gonna have to go mentally to the hospital and eat chicken nuggets there. Okay. Who are you? Are you Fred himself?
No, but I am Flocky said what?
No, you're Steve. Okay. Now. Okay. Let's. Well, I just got born. Here's my mom. That's my mom. Yeah, that's my mom. And then this is my toys. I have a Minecraft Uno card, which, why does that exist? And I like pianos. See how good I am. See, I'm so good. Ah, what are you doing, Mom? What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing, Mom? Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna die. Help me. He's kidnapping me.
I thought I am your mom. And I thought yes, really, I'm your tea.
He's kidnapping me. But, oh, Mom. What are you doing? I need to go home. Hey, how is my soul leaving my body? Thank God that's possible. Because I was just born. I do weird things like that. Like I leave my body. Okay, let's go. I forgot that the wall wasn't there. Okay, I don't know what happened. I think I broke the camera. Okay, okay. I think I still exist, right? Am I still here?
Hi, you're getting infected.
No, I just existed. My existence happened like 3 seconds ago.
But I don't care, you're getting infected anyway.
I don't know what you just said because I don't speak English, even though I'm speaking it right now.
I'm fine. Gina!
Hey, Mom!
I'm not your mom, I'm the FBI.
Oh. Okay. Hey, you can't run away from me. I'm technically not even alive right now because my soul's not even in my body. I wonder where he went.
And you too!
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm not your mom.
Okay. Oh no. Okay. FBI, I'll give you $64 I got from gambling. Okay, I was just kidding. I don't gamble. I lost all my money from gambling, please. I don't think he's still here.
My mommy is here.
My mommy is here.
My auntie is here.
Oh my god, Kung Fu Panda, what happened? I do not feel good. I don't care. Eat this. I got it from a random guy on the street, and he said drink it. It's cocaine. That sounds like Coca-Cola, so drink it. What? Cocaine? That's yummy. Yeah, eat it. Okay.
You're getting infected.
You hurt my feeling.
Tommy and Crocodile, my feelings.
I don't care. I'm hurting your feelings. You're hurting my feelings. You know what? This will help. Kung Fu Panda, help me fight.
Nah, he's on my side.
I do not like his son. Chill.
Nah, bro, nah. This is my
Big
game.
fat Santa Claus, why is your butt so? Oh my god!